So in this video right here, we're going to be discussing how to turn your educational YouTube channel into an online course creation business.
Oh my God.
I know that many of you guys run actually educational YouTube channels and provide consistent content right there. And as a person that is very passionate about educating others, I can vouch that turning your channel into an online course business is an absolutely amazing way to firstly generate more income and become independent from YouTube and other social media platforms, and secondly to reach a wider audience, to educate more people. So let's dive into the exact steps on how to again turn your educational YouTube channel into an online course business. Now, one thing that I want to clear out before we dive into the steps is that you don't have to choose between either having an educational YouTube channel or having an online course business. Obviously, we're gonna have them running at the same time, and one will feed people and traffic into the other. So your educational YouTube channel will feed traffic into your online course business, and the people that enroll in your courses will go ahead and check out your educational YouTube channel. So it's going to be a cyclical economy of traffic, if you will, which is absolutely amazing. Now here's the thing, what an online course really is a series of educational videos packed with a cool thumbnail, a cool description, a cool title, and search engine optimized content, and uploaded into online course marketplaces. So as you can imagine, if you're an expert in a topic and you run a YouTube channel that educates people how to become experts in the same topic in your niche, it is going to be extremely easy for you to launch your online education business. Some could even argue that you don't even have to create original new content for your online courses. You can literally repackage your YouTube videos into online courses, which is going to be extremely easy for you. But let's say that you don't want to repackage your YouTube videos into online courses and sell them online. Let's say that you want to create online courses from scratch. This is the steps that I would take if I was a complete beginner again having an educational YouTube channel. So if you're a YouTuber, this means that you have some access into a basic camera and basic audio. And this is pretty much all we're going to need in order to create our online course products. The first thing that I want you to do is that I want you to go ahead and create PowerPoint presentations on the topics that you want to teach. Create 10 different PowerPoint presentations about 10 different topics after obviously brainstorming the core title and description of the course that you want to create. Remember that the topic of the online course that you want to create depends on two factors. The first factor is to who you're going to sell this online course to. If you're going to sell your course to your audience from your education YouTube channel, then obviously you need to tweak your title and description to appeal to those people. On the other hand, if you want your course to be selling by itself on an online course marketplace such as Udemy and Skillshare, then you need to perform some basic audience and traffic research to come up with topics that are hot on the market and people want to learn more stuff about. So again, the next step is to create 10 PowerPoint presentations, again on 10 different lessons on this topic that you chose. After creating those 10 PowerPoint presentations, I want you to set up your camera above your computer, set up your microphone to again capture crisp audio of yours and start recording your lessons. After you have recorded all 10 of your lessons and of course a screen recording of the PowerPoint presentation as you were going through those lessons, we're gonna fire up our editing software, and with some very basic editing principles that I teach, for example, in this channel right here, you will synchronize your video with the screen recording, and this is pretty much all of the editing that we're gonna do. Extremely basic stuff. After that, the hardest part of creating an online course is done. We have 10 topics under the umbrella of your general title, and now it is time to create and package this product to make it appeal to people. And packaging an online course is a matter of having a very appealing title, search engine optimized description, and a great thumbnail. Now, if you have an online education YouTube channel, this means that you have some experience with thumbnails, but if you don't want to edit this thumbnail by yourself, you can just hire somebody for Fiverr to do this job for you. After that, the final step that we need to do in order to upload our online course is to create an introductory video for this course. Now you can imagine that the introductory video is something like a commercial for your course. You're trying to sell your course to the people that click to view more deals about it. Now there are a lot of stuff that you can learn about introductory videos, how to make them appealing, how to mess with someone's psychology to make them buy your course. And I have a 20-minute video in this channel right here on how to create the ultimate and perfect introductory video for your courses. Now trust me, investing time into creating the ultimate introductory video is of key importance, because once we press upload and the course is uploaded, then we don't have to do anything else considering marketing and search engine optimization. Everything is going to to be completely automated. So you upload the course and you completely forget about it. So trust me, it is worth spending some time, okay, to learn about introductory videos and make them perfect and nail them every time. Now that our online course is completely ready, search engine optimized, with a very cool thumbnail and a great introductory video, it is time to discuss about the different destinations of this online course. And there are pretty much 3 different destinations that we can have. The first destination is online course marketplaces, right? Online course marketplaces are Udemy, Skillshare, Skill Success, and other platforms that will host your online course and will market it by themselves. If you're a complete beginner, this is the ultimate way to generate income from your course. You literally don't have to do anything once you upload your course there. You don't have to pay for ads, no domain names, anything. The second way to generate income from your courses is to actually host it on your website and run ads, so pay ads on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, to attract cold audience in your website and sell your courses. Now, obviously, there are way higher profit margins in this business model, but this means that you need to invest money into ads and you need to know how to create landing pages, sales pages, checkout pages, and make great websites in order to make money this way. Now, the third approach to monetize your online course is to again host it on your website. So create a website again with landing pages and host your courses there and drive hot traffic, so people that know and trust you from your educational YouTube channel into your website. And this is going to be the best of both worlds, because we're both going to have great profit margins because we're hosting again our courses in our websites and we don't depend on Udemy, Skillshare, and Skill Success, and we don't have to invest big amounts of money again on ads, which we don't even know if we're going to be profitable at the end of the day. So those are the 3 ways again to monetize our online courses if we have educational YouTube channels to back them up. So thank you very much for sticking up until the end of this video. If you want more details into how to turn your educational YouTube channel into an online course business, or you have a question considering anything that we discussed in this video right here, you can book a call from the first link in the description with me. It's going to be completely free and we can discuss it right there. So thank you very much. I'm going to see you in the next video.